Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we're taking a look at the XLR by Forest River, model 28DK5. Guys, check out this awesome XLR Nitro by Forest River. Starting up front here, painted front cap, nice front windshield. This is an awesome price point toy hauler, but it's a true toy hauler. Underneath there, it does come with a generator. I love that. Fiberglass sides, storage right here. Very big power awning with LED lights, really big windows, and this is a toy hauler, so it has the garage, and when the ramp door drops down, it becomes a patio area. Coming on up the steps, you can see that this is a huge living area. Right up front here, this is the dinette. This raises up, this bunk raises up. That's how you're able to get your toys in. Over here's the optional Euro chairs, and you have this huge window right here, which is really nice. TV, entertainment center and everything, and you have huge ceilings in here. I'll show you in a second. Right over here, we do got the chairs, storage above, and the refrigerator. And my cameraman is 6'3". He can't even touch the ceiling. Very spacious kitchen area. And over here, nice countertop, solid surface, really nice. I like how it's in the corner. And then when this slide out comes in, it's here, and so you have all the space to put your toys, and you even have D-rings right there. Coming on up, we do have a nice bathroom right there, really big shower, nice sink and toilet area. And then in the master bedroom, look at this, plenty of space. Queen size bed, slide out up front, tons of storage, and the one thing that you can't buy in an RV, natural daylight. I love that front windshield. It makes it awesome. Great, so that's it guys. That's a quick little 2-minute tour on the XLR Nitro. If you guys are interested in learning more about this unit, make sure you check out our video on it. We did a full-on review. YouTube channel name, Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or, if you know that this is the right unit for you, great. Click that link down below. One of the members of our team will reach out to you guys. We're going to get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.